In this screencast, we will focus on My Bobs page and the Folders page. On My Bobs page, you can find all the Bobs you created and the Bobs they will share with you from other instructors. If you are the collaborator of the Bob, there will be a pen icon behind the thumbnail image to indicate that other instructors own this Bob and you have the ability to edit it. Please click on the Add New Bob button on the top to create a new Bob. Or you can click on the white arrow on the side to create a learner-made Bob or a peer review assignment. On the right side, instructors can apply filters to help them locate the desired Bobs. Or use the search bar to find the Bob with keywords. Instructors can also use the data export icon on the right to export all Bob's data to a CSV file. The data in the file will include Bob's ID, Bob's name, learning objective, points, field count, and the duration of the Bob. To help organize the Bobs on My Bobs page, instructors can add tags to the Bob. Click on the Add Tags or Edit Text behind the Bob, and type in text, target audience, and subject to the text section. Instructors can open a menu with more action options for the Bob by clicking on the thumbnail image or the triple dots icon. They can open the Bob designer to keep building the Bob by clicking on the Edit, or change the Bob settings by clicking on the Settings. They can also preview the Bob, assign it to a class, or add collaborators to work on this Bob together. When adding the collaborators, the instructor can send a preview link to the colleague to preview the Bob, or add them as co-editor to this Bob and build together. If the instructor wants to add collaborators to multiple Bobs at the same time, click on the checkbox in front of the desired Bobs and select Manage Permission to add collaborators. The other great tool to help instructors organize their Bobs is to utilize the Folders in Playposit. Please click the Folder tab on the sidebar to access the Folders page. Instructors can create folders based on their needs by clicking on the Add Folder button on the top. And they can also pick a color for the new folder to distinguish them. Instructors can also add subfolders within the folder to further organize their content. To add a Bob to the folder, go to the My Bobs page, click on the desired Bob thumbnail image, and select Manage Folder. Then the instructor can select the folder they want and click on Add to Folder. To remove the Bob from the folder, go into the folder and find the Bob. Click on the triple dots icon and select Remove from Folder. It will only remove the Bob from the folder but will not delete it. Instructors can still find it on their My Bobs page.